The feds in the early 90s, late 80s, we know say really hard man them, they about no more than. You know what I mean? Yeah man, really hard man them. And don't lick with them man a long time, the man them they about. Me I think with dudus on the phone with a man. With two man on the phone. And one man just a run off him rascal mouth like a bitch. And all the little man I tell the man, say, yo, hold on, make the president talk, make the big man talk, no dog. The man I said, yo, hold on man, you hear me I say no man. He want to be a leader. And that pussy well, me can listen to him and tell him he's no leader. He have all these bright ideas. And one of my idea them to make two. He might talk about for collect from people. And the man I tell him, say, we not depend on anything, the dog. A business is well established. So I would have look at idiot there and how he end up on the phone with Mr. Big Man there. And them things that I talk about when I say I'm bait up on myself all the time, you know. How the fuck that nigga end up on the phone with others? You understand? Man, them know better than that, man. When you just give the man more blood clot time. This bitch ass nigga. I wish I knew who that fucker was. Somebody point that nigga out to this video and tell him to get at me. You feel me? Call me, yo, what you talk about, dog? Man, them coming like something. You idiot, dog. They on the phone and I talk about, yes, we need to do this, and if we have a $5 million put down, we could have make sure it's a certainty. So the money look a pussy, I look, you know. And I might try to make dudus, make him some kind of right and go-to guy. But guy, you sound like a fucking idiot, man. Nobody wouldn't put your dumb ass in charge, my nigga. You feel me? You a bitch ass motherfucker. Anybody will never watch this video long enough won't hear this shit. But yeah, man, wherever y'all got that video with dudus I talk to too, man. We don't need to get them thing there for the internet star. When I make Jamaicans look bad. Who the fuck is that chatty mouth motherfucker? I run off his mouth and won't even make the man talk. You see me I say? We don't need them people around, man, like the man I said on the phone. Some of them blood clot pussy here. Them have to lift up, man. We don't make the man them lift up star. I want to Jamaica now and have certain man a linger and a lele. And every man a bad man now. Yo, make some of them man lift up from boy, dog. You see what I say? And that's the reason why cartel they in a jail, you know. You know what I mean? That's the fucking reason why Vibes Cartel is in jail. Yeah. Motherfuckers like that dude was up on the phone with dudus. And all the man I show the man a thing. And I tell the man, say, yo, just go and hold it, man, because that's how we deal with things. The man still there run off his mouth, but boss, you know, see what me I try say. We need to make sure so we can build up a thing. But look at blood clot work, pussy. I'm gonna nyam out under your mama, pussy wall. Whoever that nigga is, send him this message. Go look at a fucking job, you piece of shit. Look at motherfucking job, man. What the fuck? You that come up with this brilliant plan, boy, you want to collect money from bus driver and taxi driver and give them safety. Them think there are some old time things from the Shatter movie, Virgin. You need to wake the fuck up and stop move like a fucking dick face, bitch ass motherfucker who don't want to get no work, man. Get a fucking job, faggot. You talk about to go rob people and tax people. You tax your government. Use the blood clot government you want to tax people. Dumb motherfucker. Surprised say you're still alive, nigga. Because they're gonna get your ass pretty soon. Feel me? Yeah, because you want to rob people and everything. You're living. That's your style. You think it's okay to rob a man and take a man things. Yeah man, them are gonna come for you man. Them soon come for you. Cause right now I know say somebody here that the phone call there. Hopefully that sound like when dudus just gone in, but maybe I'm wrong. You understand? Somebody soon hear that phone call, and once them hear that phone call, them a come for you. You hear me? Whoever the fuck you was, you need to go in one crab hole and go hide. Yeah man, them a come for you man. You talk about go tax. And if you tax the bus man them, I make the bus man them know say right there and sound like a fucking idiot, you piece of shit, fucking asshole, shit face. You want to tax people? You know what I mean? Go get a job, homie. The man them don't want to work. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to get a job. They don't want to work. And that's the problem with Jamaica. The man them don't want to work. I know what really happens to a man that doesn't want to work. What happens is a man bend him over and make him feel good, because him like things the easy way. Yeah, that's what happens. You don't want to work, man. You feel me? You gotta want to work, man. Alright, I'm gonna get back in my car now. I'm gonna hit the road. But big up on yourself, keep it short and sweet. Yeah man, all of them man who claim say them respect the president and them respect certain man, stop have them little clown here on the blood clot phone while the man a try talk and them thing like that. See what I say? I don't know who wanna get them clown here from. Yeah man, I know. Wanna really out of line, you know what I'm saying, dogs? Yeah. Can't have them clowning up on the man phone line, dog. It's really interesting to find out where they in the water, yeah. You have all some birds that live over there, so in the rocks there, you know. See them? They live in the rocks. Alright, so I'm gonna just order next one online, because the way I'm thinking that shit never washed up at all. You know what I'm saying? And if it never wash up, lost cause I lost cause.